Let us start. Now today I am starting the class 6, that is chapter number 3, sets. Now what are the sets? Listen students, I am start to going class 6, chapter number 3, sets. Now first we have to introduce sets. Sets, a collection of same things that are called sets. Now in your exercise, if we take the collection, now you can say the collection of like students, the collection of stars, that all deal with the sets. And in our first step there is the two types of set that are defined, well defined and not well defined. Now what are the meaning of well defined set? Suppose I say, please student give the name of the days of the week. Then all the students of the class will give the same name, Sunday, Monday. That means that is a well defined set. Now if I say please give the famous cricketer name. Now one student take the name of Tendulkar, other will Ganguly. That means all have different view about that. That is not a well defined set. Now it means well defined set are that when our answers of few persons are same. But if the answer of few persons are not same, that means that is not a well defined. Now in our first exercise, same few statements are there. First is a good student of school. Now you can say, suppose I am good in maths, but I am not good in history. What is the meaning of it? That means maths teacher will say Nam is a good student, but history teacher will what will say? He will say she is not a good student. That means the view is not same. It means it is not a well defined set. And the prime number less than 9. All the will give the same answer. Prime numbers, we know prime number, that numbers are not divisible by any number. And less than 9. Which are the prime number less than 9? You know which are 2, then 3, then 5 that are not coming in the other table. It means we will all give the same answer. It means it is a well defined set. Then the next is good leader of the country. Now what is the answer? All will give the same answer? No. That means it is not a well defined set. Then the collection of odd integers. We all know that odd numbers are same. All the answers give the same answer. It means odd numbers are same. It means it is also a well defined set. Next one, set of rivers. All will know the set of rivers that is seen in the set. It is also a well defined. Next one is the set, the collection of our president of independent. We all know first, then second, then third, then fourth. It means the row will be same and names will be same. It is also a well defined set. Next, our intelligent boys of the class 6. Now intelligent boys of class 6. All the teacher will give same answer? No. It means it is not a well defined set. Is it clear students? What is the difference between well defined and not well defined? You can just remember in your mind, if the few persons sitting are give the same answer for that question, that means that is a well defined set. But if the answer is different, that means it is not a well defined set. Is it okay students? Now we will come our next step, that is elements of set. Now what is the set? How we can write the set? See student, to write the set we will use the curly brackets. This show the set and in between the member these curly bracket like 2, 3, 4, these are the elements of this set. Then we can give the name to the set that will always be capital. It means capital name and with curly bracket, and inside the members are called elements of the set. Then there is symbols. There are two symbols. One is belongs to and other one is not belongs to. Now seat, belongs to, that we write like this one, and other one is not belongs to. By the name we can understand belongs to. Now suppose you are the student of, now you are the students of 6th class. That means you belongs to 6th class. you are the student of convent school. You belongs to convent school. But if I want to say you belongs to 7th class, but you are the student of 6th class, that means you not belongs to 6th class. To show it, I will take one example. Suppose there is a set like A, and the members are A, B, C and D. These are the member of this A set and members or elements of this set. And I will write this A belongs to set A. But if I want to write E, now we have to see this E is present in this set or not. We can see E is not set in this set. That means this E not belongs to this set A. We have to give this name of the set, and belongs to mean present in the set, not belongs to mean not present in the set. Clear, students? Now we have to take it like this one. Your first and second sum are same like this one. Then the next is containing, write the set containing first 10 continuous number. Now we have to prepare the set also. 3.2 exercise, sum number 3. We have to now prepare the set. Statement is given and we have to prepare a set from the given statement. Now see. First 10 counting numbers. Counting start from, if natural number then 1, if whole number then 0. If we take the counting numbers, then we will start like this one. Set given name A, you can give any name, B, C, any name, but with capital. Then we have to show this set with curly bracket. Then members are 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is it correct? First 10 counting number. The counting start from, if we take the whole number, natural number then start from 1. But if whole number, then we will start from 0. It means these are the first 10 counting numbers. Clear? Then 3 types of angle. Now types of angles. We can write acute angle, obtuse angle, then straight angle, right angle. We can write any 3 because there is the demand of any 3. Please students, the given values are the elements of that set and we have to take that elements in the curly brackets. Then next one, write the elements. Now set is given and we have to write the elements. Then how? The value is given, X is given 1, 3, 5, 7 like this one. Now I have to write the element. Then I will write elements of X are, then take these numbers 1, 3, 5 and 7. This will be my answer. That means I have to take these elements out of the set. Then next concept, the elements are given and I have to make a set. Now what to do? If I take the element, that means out of the curly bracket. But elements are given, I have to prepare the set. Then I will take the curly brackets and from I will take the elements A, B, C, D and this curly bracket will be closed. That means elements will be in curly brackets, it becomes set. If set is given, then I have to take the elements without curly bracket. Clear students? Now our next concept. There are 2 types. One is roster form and other one is the set builder form. Now what is the meaning of roster form and set builder form? Sets are there one. Just take the curly brackets and elements inside. But now I have to prepare the set for roster form and for the set builder form. That is our next exercise. Now see students. In our statement, set of natural number greater than 10 and less than 15. Greater than 10 and less than 15. I have to prepare the set. There is not given equality. That means I have to not take the 10. If the set is given natural number greater than and equal to 10, that means I have to take 10 also. But we say only greater than 10. That means number greater than 10. And which number is greater than 10? That will be 11. That means my set will be start from 11. And he say less than 15, not equal to 15. That means I have to take only less number that are less from the 15. I will go 11, 12, 13, 14 and set will be over. This is my roster form. That means statement is given and I have to show that statement in the set. Clear? Next one is set builder form. Set builder form means statement set is given. Then what is given we have to write in a statement. Statement given, we become a set, that become the roster form. But if set is given, then we have to make the statement, that is called set builder form. Now see students, in the next concept, there is a given statement numbers A equals to 1 to 10. Now there is a given set A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the given set and I have to prepare the set builder from it. Now see students, I have to see what is given first. Now I see numbers are given 1 to 10. I know that natural numbers start from 1. That means this set belongs to natural number. Then I also see it will go up to 10. Now what is the set builder format? I can write x-axis. Now what is the meaning of x-axis? That means x is a variable, for that these values are given. Now x-axis, then natural numbers. Because I know it start from 1. Natural numbers, then it end at 10. Now I can write x less than equals to 10. It is correct because all the lesser number than 10 and equal to 10 is given. That is correct. If I write x is less than 11, this will also be correct because there is no sign of equality. Less than 11, which number is? That is 10. I will go up to 10. That means this is the roster form and this is the set builder form. Statement given, I prepare the set, that become the roster form. But if the set is given, I have to prepare the statement, that become the our set builder form. Then these are chapter number 3, related all concepts, and we can just solve it. Nothing is, just we have to see the set, then types of sets, then we make 2 types of set. One is roster and the other one is set builder form. Please students, try to do it. You can do it. Please. Thank you students.